Hi guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about how to fix a low-level exception occurred error, which is usually a pink kind of box that pops up on the right-hand side here. Now this error usually occurs when importing MPEG files. There isn't a kind of one method to fix all, so just bear with me to the end of the video and I'll talk you through the different ways to fix this error. Now aside from obviously restarting the application, the first thing you want to do is you want to change the render settings. So you want to come up to File in the top left-hand corner and go down to Project Settings, and then click the General tab. Now in this video rendering and playback section, you want to make sure the renderer is selected as Mercury Playback Engine software only. Now what this would do is it would just help with the overall speed of the app and the playback settings. The next thing you want to do is to clear your media cache. So get off the screen here, and we're going to go up to Edit, Preferences, and select Media Cache. And all you need to do is simply select the Delete button here, and then just press OK. The next thing you want to check is to make sure you have the latest version of Adobe Premiere installed. So to do that, you need to go into your Creative Cloud, and then from here you want to select Apps. And then if there's an update available, you'll see the text here, Update available for Premiere Pro. If I select that, then I can install the latest version. Now if you're still experiencing the error message, another effective way to get rid of it is to come up to Edit here, and then into Preferences, and then select the Media tab. And what you want to do is you want to deselect the hardware accelerated decoding and then click OK. This will require your Adobe to restart. Now, if you followed all of these steps and you've successfully got rid of the error message, then please drop me a like. If you're still experiencing problems, then comment down below.